Alright everyone, so today it's a little different. We're in Bremen, Germany. Thought I'd take a few minutes and just kind of show you around. This is the little town square here. It's been raining and cloudy all the week I've been here. So let me show you around a little bit. So you see a lot of references to the Brothers Grimm here, old fairy tales. You'll see this versions of this statue all over the little town here. The pig, the dog, the cat, rooster, and a donkey. I don't see the pig in this one though. So they got this beautiful little town square here. Some of these old buildings date back to 1050. They tell me in the summertime this is all full of tables and people just sitting out in the courtyard here. So they're really big on public transit here, and you can see the railroad tracks. They pretty much go everywhere in this little town. And nope, there are no guards, so just stay off the tracks. They got this beautiful old church here. Let's go up and see when this thing was built. So this beautiful old church was constructed in 789. And if you're traveling abroad anywhere, Google Translate's pretty cool, because when you hover over any other language, it instantly converts it into English. There's a little area here called the Schnorr. Bunch of little shops, homes. It's pretty tightly compacted. So let's check out the Schnorr. There's a couple of shops I'm going to have to come back here when they're open and just check out. But a lot of beautiful old brick buildings, cobblestone walkways. Some of these you can get a Jeep down, but it'd be tight. Put some nice little restaurants and shops. Oh, little old style jewelry here. Actually making them right there. The shop here sells razors and stuff, and I remember those. My father had those, and those things would slice you to the bone. Still a neat little shop. Alright, see how tight it is, that little Ford Focus. Pretty much takes up the whole road. But you'll find little bakeries like this all over. So if you like potatoes, sausage, and baked goods, this is definitely your place. And a little Christmas shop here. Alright, we're in this Christmas shop in Bremen. Wall here that the lady says dates back to the 13th century, that ran all the way around Bremen. And this building is over 400 years old. This shop has been here for 30 years.
In summer, it was hot.
It was hot during the summer?
Yes. Last summer and the summer before.
And there's a few houses and stuff in here too. So this little courtyard here where they have a little farmer's market. So Bremen is an island town, or island city. Centuries ago the river was routed around it and a wall was constructed. And that wall was part of the wall that I showed you in the little Christmas shop. A couple boats there, and they're listed as hotels. At least one of them is. So they got this little map of Bremen. So we are right here, which is in front of that church. And our hotel was right over here. And then we had visited the Schnorr, which was over here. So it's been a good visit. Alright, so it's getting close to noon. Looks like the sun's clearing off. You get to see a little better version of this little courtyard here in Bremen. It's been a pretty fun trip, but what a beautiful little town square. Beautiful old architecture. So trains are, it says every 11 minutes to the downtown center to the airport. Really nice little area, accessible train or bus. I think it's a couple euro to get there, but it's definitely a nice airport, nice area. It's not as historic as, if you will, as the downtown center, but nice airport nevertheless.